Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogtober. We're almost through this month, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this Amazon unboxing. So guys, I needed to get a new book for our Bible study class that we have on Mondays. So this is the book that we are studying in now. Um, I think I showed y'all my previous book once before, but this is the new book that we're going to be doing, and that's Through the Bible in 1 Year. It's actually more of an outline. It doesn't replace reading the Bible, but it does give you it does give you more history and like points you and directs you to certain books in the Bible and different things like that. So you definitely can write into it. It write in your book is interactive and things like that. And like I said, and the lessons are not long at all. So yeah, so the first lesson was mainly breaking down the books of the Bible, the Old Testament and the New Testament, how many books are in the Bible, the disciples, apostles, and different things like that. So yeah, so next, guys, we have a Walmart haul. It's just a refresher, guys, of snacks and just different things like that. And like I said, this is not our meat market, but meat haul. But yeah, I got some Hawaiian rolls. I needed to get some more forks. That's some fruit snacks. I got some Cheez-Its. I got some of these glazed donuts for my daughter in the morning time when she wants those grab and go. The little Debbie, the little cake things, whatever. Those are some Rice Krispie treats. Those are apple sauces on the go. My youngest likes those. They come in different flavors. Got some eggs. I was able to find some. They were like $2. Got some more wet wipes and sponges, and I got some different size snack bags that I needed for their lunch and different things like that. Um, and these were like between $2 and $4 altogether. Got some more ham, the thin cut honey ham. Got some butter and some cheese for sandwiches for their lunches. Got some brown rice. I did get some dried cranberries for my oatmeal. I like to eat those with my oatmeal. Got them some chips because when I get the big thing of chips, it's just not a lot. So the Zyrtex, I got some Zyrtex. I got some of the chicken bouillon, and I also got some shrimp bouillon, which this is hard to find, but I was able to find it in one of the Walmarts. I got some diced tomatoes. I also got some Ghirardelli's sea salt caramel. I'm gonna be doing something with that. Got some splash drinks and some zero clear American drinks. I had to get some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, because I was out. I got some bleach because I like to wash my dishes in bleach. I got some party cups. I got some of those little small ones so they can rinse their mouths out in the morning. Got some ground turkey, onion. Got some New York strips. I also got a toothbrush holder for my girls' bathroom. I got some chopped kale. I got another bag of fries, some vegetables, and just some little honey strips. So that was my Walmart haul, guys. Didn't get too much, but yeah, that's what I got. And I got those little salt things for my youngest. Y'all, that's how they look. And if they're broken, she's not gonna eat them, y'all. So I had to get a new box. It's just it's Aries thing, y'all. You know. So here I just wanted to kind of like, my freezer isn't the biggest, so I just went in and just kind of like rearranged some stuff. I do plan to get like a deep freezer because we really do desperately need one, because I do want to try to start stocking up on some things. But yeah, this is just me just trying to organize what I did have and what I did get. I did clean the top part too, but ain't nothing in there, y'all, so it wasn't nothing to show y'all. And I wanted to just stock up or restock up the water and juice box that I have. And I got these containers, y'all, like years ago from IKEA, and they actually, it rolls, so you can put this in your pantry and you can just roll it back and forth in your pantry. I use them for toy boxes as well, and like I said, they came from IKEA. They were not expensive. I don't even think that they were over $10, and I know that they still do have them because when I went in there, I know I've been in IKEA this year for a fact, so I know that they still have them. I know they have them in pink. I'm not really sure. I think they have them in white as well. And they do also, like I said, it has 4 wheels on the bottom, so you can just roll it. And it's good little storage. So you can put like the waters and Capri Suns. It's just easy access. You don't have to have those boxes and things like that. And I just use this until I'm able to figure out what I want to do pantry organization wise. And it has a lid. So thank y'all for watching. Have a good day. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe.